Today is a day for callouts. What's up, guys? You know who this is. After this video here, where I set a new personal record here in the Explorer Sport, stay tuned because I'm going to be calling out and passing the buck along. I'm going to be calling out some other YouTubers and see if they'll accept the challenge as well. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the channel. This is Josh from the 570. Today I'm going to be answering a challenge. A challenge video was posted to me from a guy who has a Mopar channel. His channel's name is RT Life. Yes, I don't have a Mopar, but this thing flies and he recognizes that it's pretty unique. So they are doing a flyby challenge video series where he's getting all his subscribers to do flyby videos, and he asked me if I would do one too. I told him, I said it's not going to sound like a rocket like those because they're pretty loud. I just have a V6. But I'll do it at 150 mile an hour, and he agreed that would be awesome to see. So that's what we're doing today. I don't know. I have my buddy Andy with me here. Andy, do you know any Spanish?
Nope.
So maybe we won't stop and talk to the locals then. But yeah, we're on our way to Mexico, and we're going to get this flyby done. I'm also going to record at the same time my top speed, because another part of this video is me. I'm going to see if I can set the bar even higher and get this thing over 150. I know it'll do it as long as I have enough room. So here we go. So right there, guys, 152. I just set the bar a little bit higher. 152 is now the number to beat. What's up, YouTube? How'd you guys like that? So what I'm gonna do now is actually just like a chain letter, pass this along. I challenge Car Guys New England, whether it be in the Explorer or the Lamborghini, to do a flyby video. I also challenge Paul from Family Cruisin'. Everybody head over to their channels. I challenge Paul to a flyby video. So everybody that's watching this, head over to their channels, leave a comment in their videos, and let them know that I extended a challenge to them.